has issued a snow squall warning for eastern Cibola County in west central New Mexico, western Valencia County in central New Mexico, south central Sandoval County in north central New Mexico, northwestern Socorro County in central New Mexico, Bernalillo County in central New Mexico, until 11:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 10:42 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Marquez to 24 miles north of Magdalena, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 112 and 152. Interstate 25 between mile markers 174 and 204. Highway 60 between mile markers 166 and 169. Locations impacted include northwestern and western Albuquerque, western Rio Rancho, Los Lunas, Belen, Laguna Pueblo, Spolatita, Viguita, Mesita, Corrales, and Bernardo. Avoid or delay travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions. Slow down and turn on headlights. The visibility will cut through in whiteout conditions.